Hi, my name is Dr. Roberto Frontera Suau from Elizabeth City State University, and I would like to talk to you today about my work with Biology 100, Principles for Biological Science non-majors course. The title of my presentation is Development of a Theme-Based Learning Introductory Biology Curriculum, Enhancing Student Engagement in Non-Major Biology Courses. We know that tying concept learning to relevant issues increases engagement, motivation, independent research, and critical analysis. Based on this, we've decided to revamp the course, which traditionally was a survey type course. It's a non-majors general education course that has high enrollments, but also high failure rates. We kept the textbook the same. We streamlined the course from 26 chapters and 7 units to 22 and 5. We increased the level and the types of assessments from just quizzes and multiple choice online to include other assessments that we'll discuss later. And we kept the one midterm and one final exam. If we look specifically at one of the units so that you can understand better, what we do is we take the normal units in the survey course that would have talked about macromolecules, lipids, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, etc., and metabolism of energy within the cell, and we tie them to a topic that would be relevant to the life of students. In this case, we're using diet. So we start with a movie or a documentary. In this unit, we use a documentary called Fed Up, which talked about the practice of increasing the level of sugar in all pre-prepared foods and the effect that has on health. Then we go to a basic concepts part of the unit where they go through the same material they would have gone on the survey course. And then we do independent research. We ask the students, what is a balanced diet? We ask them to look into the pros and cons of different types of diets, fat diets, as well as lifestyle diets like vegetarian or macrobiotic or celiac, etc. We include active learning in the form of an assignment. In this case, we do a diet journal. We ask the students to keep a journal for several days and assess their diets based on what they have learned in the unit. And we end up with a wrap-up journal entry where we ask the students to think about a specific topic. In this case was diabetes, but we also ask their opinions about the whole lesson in that journal. This is then our indirect assessment. And what we found from the journals is that 84% of the students refer to the learning experience using positive terms, 77% made reference to personal connections with the lesson, and 62% report making life changes or adjustments based on the learning experience from the unit, proving that students are much more engaged with this material. We gave them a pre-test and a post-test, and what you see here is the difference in score between the pre and the post-test. In the theme-based course, students had about a 20-point increase between pre and post-test, while in the traditional course, they only had about 8.6 increase. And we also looked at average percentage course grade and failure rates. In terms of average percentage grade, the students in the theme-based course scored at 74, passing would be 70, while in the traditional, the average student of all student scores was 59, which is failure. In terms of failure rates, which include students that are below 70 or that withdraw, do not finish the class. In the theme-based course, we only had 33%, while in the traditional course, we had 47%. Thank you.